All right, guys, I'm here with my buddy RC. I'm getting ready to put this on the ground. This is the first time it's actually hitting the ground since I pulled it out the box. So let's let it rip. Ooh, here we are, boys. This is the moment of truth. We're gonna run this bad boy. We got plenty of landscaping out here to do whatever the hell we want to. See, batteries, everything is gone. I think I should probably turn it on first.
That's 6. I counted 6.
So that was one of the things they said in the manual was to leave it on the ground for like, what, 5 seconds first? Properly sync.
Night Rider ain't got nothing on this.
This is more like some Dominic Toretto stuff right here.
Yeah, we're filming Fast and Furious 10. Here we go.
Fast and Furious Keel Drift.
That's it.
Ooh.
Maiden voyage. Smooth as butter. Of fun.
Parking lot ain't big enough. Ain't even big enough. That was a beast. I wish I knew how fast I was going, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that little brief demonstration. I mean, in order to get some real decent run time, I might have to go diagonal. I mean, I'm not sure how the parking lot is over there. I'm really kind of scary about that, so you know what, let's do it. I'm gonna drive down there really slow and then drive full speed coming back.
What's really slow to this car?
What's that?
What's really slow with this car?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, he's way up there.
Dude, that was too quick. That was way too quick.
Come
What
on.
you think, RC? What you think?
Come on.
Man, enough real estate in all of California. Run this, baby.
Before you know it, she's back here.
Jesus. All right, guys. So that's just a brief demonstration of what the felony can do. Thank you guys for tuning in. So, yeah, I'm gonna go live here in a minute. So let's do it. Okay. All right, guys. So we just completed our speed run, and the motor's kind of loose here. Yeah, see that? Motor's kind of loose here, so you guys may want to tighten this up just right out of the box. But I'll get my tools when I get back home and take care of that. So there's just something else you guys want to pay attention to. Just make sure you guys mount that motor because it is loose just from the speed run itself. So other than that, nothing else is going on with the batteries. Batteries aren't puffing up, but we don't know where that sound is coming from. Go ahead and turn it off. Car's pretty clean. I don't see any rocks in here. Don't see any debris trying to jam anything. So I think we took about 15 laps already. Just want to find out where the disturbing sound is coming from. I don't think it's a servo.